back to Shalee's Bakes Cakes. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit that notification bell. Alright, we are doing something fun here, and we're gonna make cake cones. I don't know if you guys have seen them trending around. Cake cones are so big right now, and they're so much fun. To make our cake cones, all we need is ice cream cones. I just got sugar cones here from Walmart, and really that's all you need. You can use the other kind, I think they actually are called cake cones. You can use those as well, but sugar cones are just, I love the sugar cone look, so we're using sugar cones today. Also, you need one of these to make your cake cones. It's not really expensive to get. I just got mine on Amazon, and you just set your ice cream cones right in here, and they bake in here as well, and then you can decorate them while they're sitting in here. I'll put the link in my description, so you guys, if you want to make these fun ice cream cake cones, then you guys can get them, and you can get your cute little ice cream cone holder from Amazon. That is where I got it. I think they probably have it at craft stores, but I do know that Amazon does carry them. All right, what else do we need? So we're not only making the cute cake cones, but we are turning them into mermaid cake cones today, guys. I'm so excited because I love everything and anything mermaid. So we are gonna make mermaid cake cones, and I'll show you guys how we make the mermaid tails again. What do we need? Candy melts to make our mermaid tails. And I've got my prism powder. This is totally edible. You can sprinkle it and we'll make the mermaid tails shine because it's mermaid and we have to make it shine, guys. Okay, last but not least is I have my sprinkles. We're gonna put sprinkles all around the side of our cute cake cone. This is gonna be fun. These are so much fun and they're just cute, and I love them, and they're perfect for summer, and mermaids just make everything better. So let's get started. To start making our fun cake cones, we are going to get our little cake cone holder, and we are going to start by putting our sugar cones into each one of these fun little slots. So we're gonna have 12 sugar cones right here in our little cake cone holder. I've also got my batter here, and I dyed it purple just for fun because it's mermaids, and we're just gonna have some fun today here. All right, so all you need, you guys, this is crazy, but all you need is 3 tablespoons of batter that you put inside of these cake cones. I know it's crazy. You do not need a lot of cake for this. So about 3 to 4 tablespoons is all you guys need. Just put it right in there. Make sure it gets in there really good. If you have extra batter, then just make an extra cake with it. I usually will just make some 6-inch cakes or even some little 4-inch cakes. You could make cake sickles, whatever you guys want with that extra batter. But for these cake cones, you only need 3 to 4 tablespoons of cake batter. We are gonna bake these up. They're done in about 10 minutes, so watch them close. All right, we have our cake cones and they're all baked up. Look how cute they are. Now, while they're cooling, we are going to make our mermaid tails. Remember, I have my little mermaid tail mold. I got this off Amazon, guys. Amazon, I love Amazon, obviously. But I got these off Amazon, and they're just little molds. They're just little silicone molds. All right, so to achieve our cute mermaid tails, we're going to melt our candy melts. Put them in a microwave in a glass bowl and warm them up for about a minute. Then stir them up really good. That's all, you guys. Then we're just gonna spoon them into our mermaid tails. Remember from my last video when we made mermaid cupcakes, I don't really do it super cleanly because they just pop right out and it's so much easier just to scoop it in there. I always like to put 2 different colors in just to make it that much more fun when they get done. So we're just gonna spoon it in and then make it all go in there, guys. Get it all in every little nook and cranny of your mermaid tail. After we get it all in, we're gonna spread it out, kind of smooth out that back. and then we're gonna pop them in the freezer for just a few minutes and they'll be done here. All right, as you can see, our mermaid tails are done. We're just gonna pop them out. Just do it nice and carefully. Some of them will break probably. That's just how we roll here. When we're making things out of chocolate melts, it happens. Pop them out, and then we're gonna set them here. A little bit of sparkle on our mermaid tails. We're just gonna get a little bit of water and we're gonna dip it into our prism powder, and we're just gonna paint on top of these so that we have mermaid sparkly tails, you guys. All right, we're gonna dress up our ice cream cone before we put the buttercream on top of it. So I'm going to get a little bit of melted candy melt and we're gonna just kind of swipe it around our cone. We can do it with a knife. You can just dip it in, or you can just kind of put it around with your little knife. Whatever you guys want to do. I kind of am just going to dip it right in the bowl and just kind of get a little bit of candy melts. And then we're going to get our sprinkles. You can, however, if you want, dip it into your sprinkles. But I find when I dip it into that melted candy melt, it kind of gets too gooey. So I'm just going to pick up some sprinkles and just sprinkle them around our cake cone. We're just going to sprinkle those sprinkles all the way around until we have the cutest cake cones. It's time to decorate. All right, so I just got a couple different colors of buttercream. I've got some pink, purple, and some turquoise, and I'm just gonna put it, like all three colors, into one bag. I'm not doing it in any pattern or way. We're just gonna put them in one bag and we're just gonna put it all over. So just, like I said, just put all those three colors into one bag because we just want it to be fun and rainbow, but nothing, you know, orderly about it today. All right, I have my 1M tip. And we are just going to make our buttercream swirls. So we're gonna start and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, all the way up. 1, 2, 3, and then release your pressure. Keep going till all of these cute cake cones look like ice cream cones. All right, guys, they look like ice cream, but now we need to make them mermaid. So we're just gonna get our cute mermaid tails and we're just going to set them carefully right on top of the buttercream here. Just put it on nice and carefully. Let's just stick those mermaid tails on. Look how cute they are. Oh my gosh, the cutest, not only cute cake cones, but they're mermaid cake cones, guys. I mean, how could you get any cuter? Add a few more sprinkles if you want on top. Let's sprinkle them with a little bit of glitter. And there you have it, guys, the cutest mermaid cake cones. Thanks so much for hanging out here at Julie's Bakes Cakes as we made these adorable, super cute mermaid cake cones. They're so fun and they're so fun to eat and your kids will love them. They're perfect for summer. I hope you guys had fun watching. Make sure and subscribe to my channel here at Julie's Bakes Cakes and have an awesome day, guys.